this is Ritika from Ritika's Art Studio. Welcome to my channel. I've shared with you two basic drawing techniques in my earlier videos. In this video, I'm going to share about grid drawing method. So, if you're already familiar with art, you might have known about this method for sure. But when I started drawing in 2017 or 18, I wasn't sure about this method and I literally didn't know anything about it, where you can draw portraits very easily. So first I'll begin with explaining about grid method, and then I'll share about its pros and cons, how it is useful, and then I'll show a complete demo of how to draw grids and use it in your drawings. So let's jump into the video. One square at a time, and it is very easy to draw. You'll feel confident about yourself when you are able to draw complex subjects. You only have to fill in little bits at each square and everything will fall right into proportions. So the drawings will be accurate. Draw anything and you'll be surprised to see what you're able to create. It is very restrictive because you're constrained to little boxes and there is so much more to discover. It reduces your confidence to draw anything and to draw at any place at any time. It reduces your creative thinking and finally you'll not even do any mistakes, so it will not help you learn anything out of it. Draw grids on your reference image and also on your drawing sheet.
If you have a printed copy of the image, you can draw grids on it, or if you only have soft copy of it, you can add a grid template above it. I'll attach the transparent grid in this description. You can download and use it. I will show how to add that to your image. Download the PixArt app and select the image that you want to draw. Click on add image and then add the grid template. And now I will fit it according to my need. So I'll position it like this, and then the image is ready to use. The grid that I provided is 2 x 2 cm. Now let's draw the grids on our drawing sheet. Now referring to the image, draw the outline referring to each and every square on the image. So it's just like filling each square at a time.
how you draw with the help of grids. Hope you found this video to be very helpful. If you really liked it, don't forget to like, comment and also share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and videos. You can check out my artworks on my Instagram page or on my website. If you have any suggestions about the topics that you need me to teach, you can drop them in the comments below. I'll check that for sure and I'll try to make the videos as soon as possible. So thank you.